Good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making salmon cakes, and these are the following ingredients. We have the salmon, it's pink salmon, bumblebee pink salmon, and we have green peppers and red peppers and onions that are already cut up, and these are the seasonings I'm gonna have. I'm gonna have adobo, paprika, black pepper, whole oregano, basil, parsley, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of all-purpose flour, baking soda, a little bit of Tony Chachere's, and 2 eggs. Okay, I'm gonna open up the salmon and we're gonna get started. I'm gonna drain the salmon. Drain both cans of salmon. Oh, I forgot to say that I was putting a little curry powder, a little curry powder in there too. I know that's an unusual seasoning, but I like it. I like the way it tastes. You should try it. Just put a little bit in there. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is take out some of the skin because I don't like the skin that much. So I just peel it off. But I do keep the bones in because the bones is a good source of calcium. And you know, calcium is good for your bones, so I'll leave that in. And I just mash up the salmon, mash it up. Hope everybody's day is going well. Mine's just going great. I figured I'd make salmon because my family love when I make it. And it's quick and easy for me, so anything that I won't have to spend too much time in the kitchen doing. You could actually use a fork. It's just that I had this big spoon near me, so I'm using this spoon. But you can use anything to mash it up. A fork would be more ideal than this fork, but than this spoon. But we're gonna use this today. If you hear noise in the background, that's my grandson playing. That's pretty mushed up. So let's start putting. grab a little bit. Put it in the pan. Make sure the oil is hot. I don't like to make mine too big. Some people make them big, but I make them just like that. Wash your hands though. Get a little messy. And you let them cook on one side till they're brown. And then you flip them over. And I'll be right back to show you how they turn out. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm going to put the second batch of fish cakes in the oil. And when I come back, I'll be ready to plate. I'll show you the finished results and I'll be ready to plate the dinner that I made for today. The fish cakes with the spaghetti with the tossed salad. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay y'all, this is the finished results of my salmon cakes. So I want to thank y'all for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and go check out my daughter's channel, Kaya Monet. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.